Hello everyone! In today's video we are going to show you a new technique to get more out of your dies. What we're going to do is letterpress, which means we are going to stamp at the same time as we emboss, giving the stamp design an embossed effect. It is a technique that reminds of the old-fashioned printing. For this, we are going to need the Big Shot or a die cutting machine, the embossing magic mat, which is this silicone mat for embossing with our Big Shot, and some dies and inks. We'll also need a piece of vellum, in addition to the cardboard we'll be embossing. First of all, we are going to choose the die with the shape we want to print. In this case, we have chosen simple shapes, but you can try all kinds of dies. We're using the Craftelier 250 grams cardstock, so we'll need to die cut 3 pieces of cardstock to make it thick enough. If you're using cardboard of a different weight, we recommend you to test until you get the result you want. In addition to the 3 pieces of cardstock, die cut another piece of vellum. Now that all the pieces have been die cut, glue them together and place the vellum paper on top. And that's it, ready to be stamped. To make the letterpress, the sandwich is as it follows. Place the Big Shot base plate, the methacrylate plate, and the embossing magic mat on top. Place the paper where you want to emboss the die cut piece. Ink the piece on the vellum side. It's best to do this on this side because the ink transfers much better. If you put the ink on the cardboard, it will absorb some of the ink and the result will not be as clear. However, it is also an option if you're looking for a different kind of finish. Place the ink piece on the card, being careful not to move it, and the other methacrylate plate on top. Run it through the Big Shot and here is the result. As you can see, the Big Shot has embossed and stamped at the same time. For designs that have specific direction, such as letters, it is important to remember that the vellum has to be turned upside down. That is, we will not put it on top, but on the bottom. Ink on the side of the vellum and stamp. This way of embossing is ideal for making personalized labels for your gifts. In this case, we've created a piece by die cutting out the silhouette of this word. This gives us a space in which to place the stamped word, adding depth to the card. This technique is very easy and gives you the opportunity to get more out of your die cuts and stamps and give your projects a different touch. Let us know what you think in the comments or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.